will be able to complete. Now you can see the board clearly. Yes. See, the board is very much clear. Yes. Yes. Now you can hear my voice clearly. Wait. Wait. The board is very much clear. 10th exercise. 10th. Yes. 10th. Arey, mute the microphone. See, already the notice regarding discipline has been circulated in the group. Every time class teacher they are sending, please forward with the names, some names who are not in the discipline. So obey that rule. Now let us start 5 exercise 10. A square minus a into 4a 4a square minus 4a minus 5 minus 6. So a square minus a into 4a square minus 4a, I can take 4 common, that it is a square minus a minus 5 minus 6. 4a square and 4a, I will take 4 common. Now I will put a square minus a is equal to x. I will put a square minus a is equal to x. Put a square minus a is equal to x and simplify this. So you will get x into 4x minus 5 minus 6. So x into 4x minus 5. These two are wait. X into 4x minus 5. No. First you will simplify. You will open this bracket. Open this bracket. Have it x into 4x square minus x into 5 minus 5x minus 6. Now 4x square minus 5x minus 6. 4x square minus 5x minus 6. This is the quadratic equation. So find two numbers whose sum is minus 5 and multiplication is 4 into minus 6 minus 24. Yes. No, minus 8 and 3. Minus 8 and 3. When you will add minus 8 and 3, you will get minus 5. When you will multiply minus 8 and 3, you will get minus 24. So this I will write 4x square minus 8x plus 3. Yes. No, see. No, because the coefficient of x square is now 4. If it is 1, coefficient of x square is 1, then only we see the last term. But now coefficient of x square is 4. So I have to take the multiplication of 4 and minus 6. That is minus 24. So find two numbers whose sum is minus 5. Multiplication is 4 into minus 6 minus 24. So numbers are minus 8 and 3. When you will add, you will get minus 5. When you will multiply, you will get minus 24. So 4x square and 8x, 4x is common. That is x minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 2. We do the grouping, these two together. Now x minus 2 is common. So it is x minus 2 into 4x plus 3. But my actual variable is a. So I will now put the value of x. Put x is equal to a square minus a again. So you will get a square minus a minus 2 into 4 into a square minus a plus 3. Replace x by a square minus a. So this becomes a square minus a minus 2. A square minus a minus 2 into 4a square minus 4a plus 3. Now again both are quadratic. Yes. Wait. Why are you in hurry? Huh. 4 marks. Because 2 times you have to solve this. So now this is a square minus a minus 2. I am writing the same step here. A square minus a minus 2. You don't write, but I am writing because I have to explain. Into 4a square minus 4a plus 3. Now both are quadratic. So find two number whose sum is minus 1, multiplication is minus 2. Second, find two number whose sum is minus 4 and multiplication is 4 into 3, 12. Yes. Now can you factorize first? Yes or no? Yes. So find two number whose sum not minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 when you multiply you will get plus 1. Yes. Minus 2 and plus 1. Yes, minus 2 and plus 1. Second one, can you factorize? Find two number. No. You cannot factorize. Second one you cannot. No. See, 6, 2, you will take minus 6 and 2, you will get minus 4. But their multiplication will be minus 12. We have plus 12. Are you getting? Multiplication is plus 12. No, 6 minus 2 will not work. No. Second one I cannot find factorizable. Second one you can. Yes. So only first one I will factorize. A square minus 2a minus no. 4a square minus 4a plus 3 will keep as it is. So a common, then a minus 2 plus 1 into a minus 2 into 4a square minus 4a plus 3. So a minus 2 is common. Then what is left? A plus 1 into 4a square minus 4a minus 3. And this is the answer. So this type of problems will come in the exam for 4 months. Yes. Wait. First and second method, when you multiply, you will get this one. When you multiply first and second bracket, you will get this one. So no need of multiplying first bracket and second bracket. Yes. First bracket and second bracket, when you will multiply, you will get 3a square. नहीं, अगर बाहर वाला ब्रैकेट नहीं लगाएगा, then this will be considered as this will be multiplied with this, no? If you remove this bracket, see, if you don't put this bracket, then this will be multiplied to this, where these two and these are one term. If you put big bracket, then what you will write? Then what you will write inside? But you have to, again writing this, you have to write in the bracket. No, you cannot write this as big bracket a minus 2 into a plus 1. You cannot write in this way. No. Then inside also you have to write bracket. Yes. Correct. No problem. Even if you don't write this outside bracket, no problem. Even if you write, then again it is no problem. So you can write if you want. Yes. Now see question number 13, 14, 15. They are same. So before I start 11, 12, yes, 11, 12 I will do. But 11, 12 I will do. But I am telling you that 13, 14, 15 they are same as exercise number 10. So 13, 14, 15 take homework. So write 13, yes. We will write there exercise 13, then exercise 14, then exercise 15, homework. I am giving you the hint will be refer exercise number 10. Refer exercise number 10 solution. So how we have solved exercise number 10, in the same way I will solve exercise number 13, 14, 15. Now let us solve 11th. X raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 3x square y square. X raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 minus 3x square y square. Yes. So let me rewrite this first. X raised to 4 minus 3x square y square plus y raised to 4. We are just rewriting. We are writing this between these two. Now x raised to 4 I can write x square minus 3x square y square plus y raised to 4 I can write y raised to 2. Next step. No. How a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square we have 2ab, no? Middle. So that 3 I will write. Yes. That middle term I want 2ab. I have 3. So that middle term minus 3 I will write minus 2 and minus 1. Middle term minus 3 I will write minus 2 and minus 1. So this I will write x square minus 2x square y square plus y square. Homework. So minus 3x square y square I will write, minus 2 I have written. So what is left now? Minus x square y square is left. Minus 3 I have written, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Okay. Have you understood, all of you? Yes. Have you understood, all of you? Middle term we want minus 2. So minus 3 I have split minus 2 and minus 1. Now first 3 terms I can write x square minus y square square. X square minus y square square, and this I can write xy whole square. xy whole square. Now first first 3 terms. First 3 terms, a square minus 2ab plus b square, I can write a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, I can write a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square minus xy square. Now this bracket term I can consider a, and xy is b. So now we have a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So that will be x square minus y square plus xy into x square minus y square minus xy. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. is a plus b into a minus b. So again we are getting a quadratic equation, x square plus xy minus y square, and this is x square, x square minus xy minus y square. Yes. So now this is a quadratic. Let us see whether it is further factorizable or not. We'll see. Find two number whose sum is 1, multiplication is minus 1. Find two number whose sum is minus 1, multiplication is minus 1. So are there any two numbers whose sum is no? So you have to stop there only. Yes. So you have to stop there. No. See, you can write x minus y whole square provided it is plus y square and it is 2xy. If it is 2xy and it is plus y square, then only you can write x plus y whole square. Are you getting? There also you want middle term 2xy. It is only xy, so I cannot write xy. I cannot write x minus y whole square. So you have to stop there because it is not further factorizable. Now let us solve 12th. 12th one. To mark important 12th one. 5a square minus b square minus 4ab plus 7a minus 7b. 7a minus 7b. Is it clear? So now we wait. 5a square minus b square minus 4ab plus 7a minus 7b. So if you do the grouping, total how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you do the grouping, you will take 3 terms together and 2 terms together. So what I will do in this 5a square I will split. 5a square I will split so that I will get 6 terms. So 5a square I will write a square, a square minus b square plus 4a square. See what I am writing? This 5a square I am writing a square plus 4a square minus 4ab plus 7a minus 7b. That is what I am telling. See, this 5a square, total there are 5 terms. For grouping, I am adding one more term, that is 6th term. How we have added that one more term? Yes. You can take 5 square minus 4ab minus b square. Then you have to factorize. So in this only I am simply taking 5a square. No, 5a square I am writing a square plus 4a square. Yes. 5 square I am writing a square plus 4a square. You can take common, but what is there? Yes, you can split by taking 5 square. Yes. You can take 5 square minus 4ab minus b square and apply the quadratic. You will get the same answer. No. See, if you take 5 square, 4ab and 7a, then what is middle term is 4ab, no? So you want the term of a and b. So a and b is the middle term, means you want a square and b square together. Yes. You can take first 3 terms and remaining 2 terms, simplify, you will get the same answer. Another method is, no, this is the quadratic. First 3 term 5a square minus 4ab minus b square, that is a quadratic. You have to solve that. Now 5 square I am writing a square plus 4a square. Now let us take first two together, second two together, third. So a square minus b square together I am writing. Then plus 4a square and plus 4ab, I am taking plus a 4a common, then it is a minus b. Then last 7a minus b, 7 is common. Now a square minus b square I can write a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b plus 4a into a minus b plus 7 into a minus b. Now a minus b is common in all the three terms. A minus b, a minus b, a minus b, a minus b. So I will take a minus b common. Then what is left? A minus b is common. Then it is left is a plus b. A plus b plus 4a plus 4a plus 7. Now we simplify this. This is a minus b. Now we can add the like term together. A and 4a is 5a. 5a plus b plus 7. And this is the answer. Yes. Same answer you will get. Same answer you will get. Same answer you will get. First three terms together, then you have to do the quadratic, complete the quadratic. See, I should explain, I am just explaining that, I am not writing that part. 5a square minus 4ab minus b square. I am not writing that. Find two numbers whose sum is minus 4 and multiplication is 5 into minus 1, minus 5. So what are two numbers? Sum is minus 4, multiplication is minus 5. Minus 5 and 1, no? Minus 5, minus 5 and 1. So you will write 5 square minus 5ab plus ab. No, same thing, same sum. This is answer. But if you do by other method, I have written 5 square as a square plus 4a square. If you take the first three term together and so on, you will get the same answer. Okay. Now, no. This is just I had explained. Some of you asked, sir, if I will take first three term together, then how will solve that part? I had explained. Now, 13, 14, 15 homework. Okay. 16 and 9x square plus 3x minus 8y minus 64y square. 64y square. So total there are 4 terms. Yes, we will do the grouping. We take 9x square minus 64y square together. These two I will take together plus 3x minus 8y together. So 9x square I can write 3x whole square, 64y square I can write 8y whole square plus 3x minus 8y. 3x minus 8y I will take together. Now this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. 3x minus 8y, 3x plus 8y into 3x minus 8y plus 3x minus 8y. Now what is common? Yes, 3x minus 8y is common. So 3x minus 8y is common. 3x minus 8y is common. So left is 3x plus 8y plus 1, and this is the answer. 3x plus 8y plus 1. There, now because this plus means it is plus 1, no? Plus means it is plus 1. So when you take 3x minus 8y common, it is 3x minus 3x plus 8y plus 1. Plus means it is plus 1. Minus means it is minus 1. No. See, if there is multiplication again, then there will not be common. Multiplication we take whenever there are two terms or three terms. Multiplication means, now this is the final answer. This is the final answer. 3x plus 8y into 3x plus 8y plus 1. This is the final answer. Now, 17th we have already done. 2 root 3 x square plus x minus 5 root 3. Yes. 17th. And let me write first 2 root 3 x square. 2 root 3 x square plus x minus 5 root 3. Now this is given a quadratic directly. So find two number. Let me discuss. Find two number whose sum is plus x, means whose sum is plus 1. And multiplication is 2 root 3 into minus 5 root 3. So 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 3, 30, minus 30. Minus 30. So what are two number whose sum is plus 1, multiplication is minus 30? Plus 6 and minus 5. Plus 6 and minus 5. So now what you tell me whether I should solve or should I give homework? Because okay. Yes. So 2 root 3 x square. No, root 3 is inside. Then no, x square is outside. X square is outside. Only we have 2 root 3 x square plus 6x minus x minus 5 root 3. Because multiplication, it is 2 root 3 into minus 5 root 3. No, 2 root 3 into minus 5 root 3. So 2 into minus 5, 2 into, wait, why 2 root 3 into minus 5 root 3, 2 into 5, 10. How 5? We have written x as find two number, middle term is x. That we have to split. Find two number whose sum is plus 1, multiplication is minus 30. So numbers are plus 6, minus 30. Okay. See, sum is plus 1, multiplication is 2 root 3 into minus 5 root 3. 2 root 3 into minus 5 root 3. You have to take a sign also. So 2 into minus 5 minus 10. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So minus 10 into 3 minus 30. So multiplication should be minus 30. Sum is plus 1 and multiplication is minus 30. What are those two numbers? Plus 6 and minus 5x. This is minus 5x. Now it is clear? What are two numbers whose sum is plus 1, plus 6 and minus 5? Plus 6 and minus 5, sum is plus 1, multiplication is minus 30. Now let us take together. So 2 root 3 x square plus 6x, 6 I will write 2 into 3. But 3 I will write root 3 into root 3. 3 I will write root 3 into root 3, no? Yes, because this root 3 also have to. Yes, you can take 2x common, but root 3 also have to take common, no? That is why I am writing 2 into, root 3 into root 3 is x, minus 5 is common, then it is x plus root 3. Now first two, what is common? 2 root 3 x is common, then it is x plus root 3. Minus 5 into x plus root 3. Now x plus root 3 is common. X plus root 3 is common. So that is x plus root 3 into 2 root 3x minus 5, and this is the answer. No, how minus will come? Because it is minus, I have taken common, so minus inside will be plus, and when I will take x plus root 3 common, then it is 2 root 3x minus 5. Here yes. Third step. Okay. Yes. Yes. Third step. Wait. This 6x. There it is 2 root 3 and there it is 6. So 6 I can write. Let me explain this side. See. 6 I can write 2 into 3. Yes or no? 2 into 3. Then further 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. So this 2 root 3 I can take common. No. 6 I can write 2 into 3, but 3 I can write root 3 into root 3. So that 2 root 3 I can take common. Yes. Fourth step. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2 root 3x is common. 2 root 3x is common. So 1x is left. Then 2 root 3x I have taken outside, so root 3 is left from this. So this is x plus root 3. Then minus 5 into x plus root 3. Now x plus root 3 is common. So 2 root 3x is left from there and minus 5 is left from there. How much time is left? Okay, 2 minutes. Let me discuss 18th, because 18th is important. At least let me explain this 18th. See, 1 minute is important. Even I have 2 minutes. 1 by 4 a plus b whole square minus 9 by 16 2a minus b whole square. 1 by 4 a plus b whole square minus 9 by 16 2. This is important. So minus 9 by 16 2a minus b whole square. So 1 by 4 a plus b I can write 1 by 2 a plus b whole square. Let's see, all of you agree or not? 1 by 4 I can write 1 by 2 square, and a plus b square is already there. Then similarly 9 by 16 I will write 3 by 4 into 2a minus b whole square. Let me explain. Okay, now how much time is left? Yes. Wait, how much time is left? हो गया? Okay, now we stop here. We'll do next time. Bye. We stop there. Yes. Yes, we stop there. Okay. Take care.